Close your eyes if you haven't already, and allow your breath to lengthen, soften, and settle into a rhythm that feels natural. Your body knows this rhythm. It is the language of safety. And safety is the entryway into subconscious recalibration. Now imagine standing inside a vast corridor with countless doors on either side. Each door represents a pattern you have lived. Patterns inherited, patterns repeated, patterns you didn't consciously choose but felt compelled to follow. The subconscious does not work in logic. It works in association, images, and stored emotions. That is why you may feel confusion when your actions contradict your highest intentions. So, go ahead and bring to mind one pattern that has held you. Perhaps it is a self-doubt loop or a cycle of procrastination or anxiety around achievement. Do not try to analyze it, simply feel it, as if you were holding a stone in your hand. Notice its weight, its texture, its shape. Where do you feel it? The chest, the throat, the stomach. Every pattern has an anchor, not in logic but in sensation. Allow that part of your body to become illuminated in your awareness. The subconscious collapses a pattern when it receives information that both resonates with the old memory and contradicts it at the same time. So imagine yourself replaying that old scene, the loop, the habitual response. And now, overlay a new outcome. Imagine the scene shifting. Instead of freezing, you breathe. Instead of shutting down, you speak. Instead of repeating, you pause. Your mind sees both realities at once, and this is the crack where the loop unravels. Bring both hands where the body feels the anchor. Breathe in deeply and exhale with sound, a sigh, a tone, a vibration, and repeat 3 times. As you do, imagine the loop dissolving, the corridor door closing, and the energy returning to you as pure vitality. Now imagine yourself stepping into a new corridor where there is one open door filled with golden light. This door represents the possible step through it. Feel your body walking into a reality where your nervous system responds differently, where your mind aligns with choice. Take 3 breaths as you stabilize inside this new reality. And pause. Allow silence to work on you. What just shifted does not require conscious analysis. The subconscious, the nervous system, and the energy field already understand.